Every medicine you have ever taken started its journey in a clinical trial. But what exactly is a clinical trial? And how does a chemical in a lab become a treatment in your hands? Let us find out. A clinical trial is a research study with human volunteers that answers specific health questions. Is this treatment safe? Does it work? Before any drug reaches you, it must pass through this rigorous testing system. Clinical trials are the bridge between laboratory science and real-world medicine. They are the reason we know what works and what does not. The journey from idea to approved medicine takes 10 to 15 years on average. It starts with basic research in a lab. If results are promising, researchers file an application with regulators like the FDA to begin human testing. Clinical trials follow 4 distinct phases, each asking a different question. Before any human is involved, years of preclinical research is needed, testing in test tubes, cell cultures, and animals. If this shows promise, the company submits an investigational new drug application to the FDA, with all safety data and the plan for human trials. Only when the FDA agrees it is safe enough can clinical trials begin. Safety is the absolute priority. Before joining, every volunteer gives informed consent. You are told the purpose, risks, benefits, and alternatives in plain language, and you can leave any time for any reason. Every trial is also reviewed by an institutional review board, an independent committee of doctors, scientists, and community members who ensure participants are protected. Major trials also have a data safety monitoring board that can stop a trial early if safety concerns arise. Every trial has strict eligibility criteria, requirements for age, health status, and medical history. Healthy volunteers typically join early safety trials. Patient volunteers join later phases to test effectiveness. All participation is completely voluntary. You can find trials relevant to you on ClinicalTrials.gov. Phase 1 is first in human. 20 to 80 healthy volunteers receive small, carefully increasing doses. The only goal is safety, finding the right dosage range and identifying side effects. It answers one question: is this safe enough to keep studying? Phase 2 tests effectiveness. Several hundred patient volunteers with the target condition receive the drug. Researchers ask, does it actually work? While continuing intensive safety monitoring. A positive Phase 2 is the green light for a large-scale confirmatory trial. Phase 3 is the largest and most critical phase. Hundreds to thousands of patients enroll across dozens of hospitals worldwide. The new drug is compared directly to the current standard treatment, often in a double-blind, randomized study. If results show clear evidence of safety and effectiveness, the company submits a new drug application to the FDA for approval. Even after a drug is approved, research continues. Phase 4 is post-marketing surveillance, monitoring thousands of real-world patients over many years to detect rare side effects and optimize use. This is why drugs can be recalled years after approval. The system is always watching. Some trial participants receive a placebo, an inactive substance, while others get the real treatment. In a double-blind study, neither the patient nor the doctor knows who receives what. This prevents bias from influencing results. This rigorous design is why doctors can trust clinical trial data. Clinical trials are the engine of medical progress. Every breakthrough, from chemotherapy to mRNA vaccines, from statins to immunotherapies, was validated through this process. That is why you can trust the medicine your doctor prescribes. Trials also give patients early access to cutting-edge treatments. Want to learn more? Every trial in the US is registered at ClinicalTrials.gov. You can search by condition and location. Talk to your doctor about whether a trial might be right for you. Clinical research also needs professionals, doctors, nurses, coordinators, data managers, and regulatory specialists. So, what is a clinical trial? It is a research study with human volunteers that tests whether new treatments are safe and effective, following a rigorous 4-phase system from first-in-human testing to long-term surveillance. Every medicine you rely on went through this process. Clinical trials are how medicine advances, and they depend on volunteers and researchers committed to scientific integrity. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.